Alright, do it.
Alright. Lucky Tackle Box unboxing. #1 on this channel. It's gonna be awesome.
Yep.
We're gonna have a challenge soon. Is your mic on?
Yeah.
Audio good. Sharp things. Alright, first thing you see is a card. Something prizes you could win. So how do you win these? 1 year subscription. Oh, there's a number. LuckyBox.com live. Alright, cool.
Right.
Alright. Do it.
Hey, yeah.
Sweet. Stickers are awesome. I'm not putting them on my new truck, but they're cool. Magazine that I never read.
You got some hooks.
Oh, that looks crazy. Lunker Link. Alright. First thing out of the box is some sort of crankbait. I don't know if this would work on our ponds. I don't know. What do you think?
No, it's not. Might dive too.
These things will just get caught up in seaweed. It's a seaweed catcher.
Yeah, but we're the seaweed masters.
I need top water.
Right.
And then this Troy Morrow's 401 Wobblehead. How the hell would you use this? Where's the magazine? How do you use this? Wait, and there should be a card that tells us how to use this?
I thought that is a card.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. 19-year-old.
Pretty sure you're supposed to put it on this, right?
That?
Yeah.
A wobblehead? Aren't you supposed to put that on like a...
Yeah, that's you're supposed to put it on these.
Really? I don't know. It doesn't say. Alright. So we're completely clueless on this. This one's here. This is what we need. Shatter Frog? Whoa. I want to open this. It's crazy. Oh, look at this.
Comes with these plastic ends.
Oh man, what is this? Look at the way they clip it on there. Like a swivel head deal. Oh, this is where you connect it? Oh, so it skis across the water.
Right.
Right, alright, cool. Special guest, Nick. Do you think this is fire? Yeah, that top water is always fire.
This one was cool. It's the middle.
Yeah, but it's 2 in a row. They're linked.
Oh. Yeah. So it looks like a school of them.
Oh, that's cool.
And if there's 2, the bass would like 2 for 1.
So instead of a trailer hook, you have a trailer minnow. Trailer bait. That's crazy.
Oh, you're videotaping?
Internet famous. Look at this.
What kind of weird setup
So
is
you
this?
got your hook right here, and then you just.
What odd hook? 3 odd hooks. These are definitely for these right here.
So you can
Wild
see
Thing series. Cliff Pace. Look at this guy. This guy gets all the ass. Look at that guy. Woo-wee!
Right, and
And then just imitation Cincos. What
Shaky
the heck?
tails.
They got fuzzy things on them. We gotta open this.
Ew. Moldy bait.
This is for the earwax. Look at this.
Disgusting.
This looks crazy. Look at that. call those things where you get them out of that crank thing and they're like that sticky hand thing?
Oh,
That's
right.
what this feels like. I'm just gonna stick to the fish. Alright. Unique head design to deflect rocks and gravel. Designed to use any hook with your clip. So what would you hook onto? Would you hook on?
Right, it's supposed to go on the line.
Oh, this thing's heavy. That thing's sinking right to the bottom.
Right, it'll, so you could just drag it. And then
Oh, it's for dragging.
pop it up. And then just drop it. Drag it some more. Pop it up.
Would it hook onto this though? No, right? 'Cause
No.
this is for top water hits.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That one would be cool.
Dude, look at the hook on this thing. It's like weirdly hooked like a dentist's freaking, like a dentist. Yeah. Oh my gosh, like a cleaning tool for a dentist. That's crazy. I don't know. This thing looks awesome though. All right.
These will come in handy. Wow. This still amazing me, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 2 minnows. Instead of trailer hook, trailer minnow.
Man, mimics 2 bait fish chasing each other. Yeah, I guess you guys just think we know what we're doing. Oh my gosh. My family owns Big Bite Baits. Owner's kid knows how to fish. That's always a plus.
Alright, so you could, it'll pop off like this.
Hell, I know. Yeah, you gotta jerk that bait. You can walk the dog with a slow approach that is similar to other top water walking techniques.
So now we're using yo-yo skills.
Yep. This just still amazes me. You're gonna hook it onto here. You're gonna hook your line to here, and then just a regular hook. No,
No,
your
you
hook's
gotta-
gonna go here.
You gotta have plastic.
All right, let's rig this thing. I really need to know how. How do you think it should be rigged? Let me see. Let me ask you.
I'm pretty sure this thing
So
goes at the
use this.
top of the hook. Yes, correct.
Where's the hook? Here, rig it all up. Rig it all up
Okay.
completely. I really want to see this.
So what I think how this is gonna work. Is so you're gonna have your hook, right?
Yeah.
Then you're gonna
Stay over the white, dude, so they can see on the GoPro. All right.
twist it around.
I can't wait till you be roasted in the comments by some random guy. What are you doing? You guys are. Yeah. Then what?
Hold on.
If we catch anything this summer, I'll be surprised. Oh
Yeah,
my
I'm
god.
sure this person did.
This guy made the fishing team, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, they're gonna be taking some L's this year.
Oh man.
Yep.
Anyway.
Yep. Broke back crawfish.
It's supposed to look like this.
Yeah.
Then you got your weight
Oh boy.
up here. And then
Yeah.
you're done. Then you catch
What? You need a split ring?
catch big bass.
You need a split ring for this, or does this? You see how this thing can be taken apart? Can your hook be hooked onto that? You see that? You see that? Here, let me see. Oh. You're kind of like this, you know? Like that, you know?
Yeah, maybe. And then you got
And you
your
just-
line going
yeah,
through here.
that's what I think it is. You're just dragging it. Well, what do you think?
I think that this will catch all the bass.
Because this has to be up top because your line's going up, you know?
Right.
Because if you have it like this, it's just going to flip over your bait anyway. But you need like a skirt here to pop. That's what gets me. Like, you guys gave us like incomplete stuff. Like that. And you're just popping it. But you need like a skirt here to really entice them. I don't think these two little things are going to want it to hit, you know?
Right.
I don't know. That's just me. That's just Scruffy Sauce talking. Alright. There's your unboxing. First unboxing on this channel. Many more to come maybe. I don't know. Alright. Stay tuned for more
More
random videos.
and a cooking video that is coming out soon. Catch and cook. Alright,
Nice.
see ya.